We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide a comprehensive look at the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover, a versatile product designed to organize stuffed animals, pillows, and textiles while also serving as a comfortable seating option. This beanbag cover is made from a soft, ultra-soft corduroy fabric that is skin-friendly, breathable, wear-resistant, stain-resistant, and fade-proof. The fabric quality is frequently praised for its cozy feel and durability, making it a favorite spot for both children and adults to relax. The cover is designed without filler, allowing users to fill it with their own materials such as old stuffed animals, pillows, or foam beads, which makes it an environmentally friendly choice that encourages recycling and reducing waste. One of the standout features of this beanbag cover is its large capacity, designed to hold up to 300 liters of stuffing. Many users have reported successfully fitting over 50 stuffed animals or combination of pillows and textiles inside, effectively reducing clutter in children's rooms or play areas. This makes it an excellent storage solution for families with many plush toys who want to keep their spaces tidy without discarding beloved items. The cover's round shape and ergonomic design help it conform comfortably to the body, providing a cozy seat when filled. Several reviewers noted that their children, ranging from toddlers to teenagers, enjoy using the beanbag as a reading nook or a relaxing spot. The design includes a sturdy, extra-large ABS zipper with a lock feature hidden inside to prevent injuries and protect floors. This zipper is generally reported to work well, allowing easy access for filling and emptying the bag. However, a few users have experienced zipper issues such as breakage within the first 2 weeks, which could be a concern for durability. The handle on top of the bag is another thoughtful addition, intended to make moving the beanbag easier. While most users find the handle sturdy, some have expressed slight worry about it potentially ripping when the bag is heavy, especially when filled with 15 to 20 pounds of toys or textiles. The beanbag cover comes in a large size that is marketed as suitable for adults, but many users clarify that it is more appropriate for children or smaller adults. It is manageable and comfortable for kids and can be used by adults for lounging, but those seeking a full-sized adult beanbag chair might find it too small. The fabric texture is described as a classic corduroy feel, not too rough or fuzzy, providing a pleasant tactile experience. Assembly is straightforward, but can be easier with help. Users recommend inserting a liner inside the cover to contain the filler and prevent mess. Filling the bag with foam beads or other soft materials can be a bit tricky because the beads tend to stick to packaging, but tips like misting the inside of the bag with water and tapping the sides help the filler settle evenly. Some users prefer to fill the bag with recycled textiles like old t-shirts, pillows, and duvet covers, making the process more cost-effective and sustainable. Price-wise, the beanbag cover is considered good value, especially given its multifunctional use as both storage and seating. Many users appreciate the environmental aspect of repurposing old items to fill the bag instead of buying new foam beads. The washable fabric is a significant plus, allowing easy cleaning and maintenance, which is essential for families with children and pets. On the downside, the main concerns revolve around the zipper durability and the potential strain on the handle when the bag is heavily filled. Some users also note that the size, while large for kids, may not meet expectations for adult use. Despite these issues, the overall sentiment is positive, with many families finding the beanbag cover an effective and attractive solution to stuffed animal clutter and a comfortable seat for kids. In summary, the Kisoy Bean Bag Chair cover is a well-made, soft, and durable product that serves dual purposes, organizing plush toys and providing a cozy seating option. Its large capacity and eco-friendly filling suggestions make it a practical choice for families looking to reduce clutter while adding a fun and functional piece of furniture to their home. The fabric quality and design features like the hidden zipper and handle enhance usability, although potential zipper and handle durability concerns should be considered. We encourage anyone who owns this product to leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.